Every morning, as the world stirs awake, most of us reach for a familiar comfort, a steaming cup of coffee or tea to ease us into the day. It's a ritual that feels essential, a small act that signals the start of something new. But what if there's a different way to begin your morning? One that does more than just wake you up. Imagine a simple drink, made from ingredients already in your kitchen, that could gently nudge your body into a state of balance, help you burn fat, and give you steady energy that lasts all day. This isn't about chasing trends, popping pills, or following restrictive diets. It's about working with your body's natural rhythms, using science-backed ingredients to support your metabolism, and set the tone for a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's explore how this morning ritual can transform the way you feel, one sip at a time. When you wake up each morning, your body is in a unique state. Overnight, while you sleep, it shifts into a fasting mode. Your insulin levels drop, your growth hormone rises, and your body begins to tap into stored fat for energy. This is a natural process, one that's been part of human biology for millennia. But the moment you eat or drink something that spikes your blood sugar, like toast, cereal, or fruit juice, that process comes to a screeching halt. Your body gets a signal to store fat instead of burning it, and for many people, especially those over 60, this can make weight loss feel like an uphill battle. No matter how little you eat or how much you exercise, your metabolism seems to resist. The key to changing this lies in what you do first thing in the morning. By choosing the right drink, you can keep your body in that fat-burning mode, stabilize your blood sugar, and give your brain the clear, focused energy it needs to carry you through the day. This morning drink isn't about deprivation or cutting out the foods you love. It's about sending your body the right message, one that says, let's work together. It's about supporting your metabolism in a way that feels natural and sustainable. At the heart of this process is your liver, an organ that acts like a control center for your metabolism. Your liver decides whether to store fat or burn it, and every bit of fat you lose passes through it first. As we age, though, the liver can become sluggish. Years of eating processed foods, consuming sugar, drinking alcohol, or even taking certain medications can take a toll. When your liver is congested, it struggles to do its job, and fat loss slows to a crawl. That's where this simple morning drink comes in. It's designed to gently support your liver, helping it flush out toxins and improve the flow of bile, a natural fluid your body uses to digest fats. When bile flows freely, your liver can break down stored fat more efficiently, turning it into energy instead of letting it linger around your waistline or organs. You might be tempted to start your day with a sugary smoothie or a trendy detox juice, but those often do more harm than good. They cause sharp spikes in blood sugar, crash your energy, and leave you hungry soon after. The right morning drink, on the other hand, keeps your blood sugar steady and your energy consistent. One of the key ingredients in this drink is apple cider vinegar, but it's important to use it correctly. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 34%, which means it helps your body use fat for fuel instead of storing it. However, taking it straight or using too much can irritate your stomach or damage your tooth enamel. That's why it needs to be diluted properly and paired with the right ingredients to maximize its benefits. One of those ingredients is lemon, which works hand in hand with apple cider vinegar to support your liver's natural detox process. The natural acids in lemon and vinegar also help your pancreas and liver release digestive enzymes, which kickstart your metabolism and prepare your body to burn fat more effectively. Hydration is another critical piece of the puzzle. Dehydration slows down every chemical reaction in your body, including the ones responsible for burning fat. That's why so many people, especially older adults, wake up feeling tired or sluggish. The foundation of this morning drink is warm water. Not too hot, not too cold, just comfortably warm. Warm water gently wakes up your digestive system, helps your body absorb nutrients, and signals your intestines to start moving. This can clear out waste, reduce bloating, and help your body release toxins that slow your metabolism. Even this simple step can make you feel lighter and more energized from the moment you start your day. Next, let's talk about potassium, a mineral that doesn't get the attention it deserves. Potassium is essential for balancing sodium levels, regulating fluids, and activating enzymes that help your cells burn fat. When potassium levels are low, you might feel drained, foggy, or bloated. Adding a small pinch of pink Himalayan salt to your morning drink provides a natural source of potassium and other trace minerals. This helps restore electrolyte balance, supports your adrenal glands, and keeps your energy steady throughout the morning. So far, the drink includes warm water, lemon, apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. These ingredients work together to hydrate your body, support your liver and pancreas, and set the stage for fat burning. But there's one more element that takes this drink to the next level: healthy fat. It might sound counterintuitive, but adding a small amount of healthy fat to your morning drink can actually help your body burn fat throughout the day. A teaspoon of pure extra virgin olive oil, or MCT oil, signals to your body that energy is available. This reduces stress hormones, relaxes your system, and encourages your body to tap into stored fat for fuel. When your body starts producing ketones, a clean, efficient fuel made from fat, you'll notice sharper focus, a better mood, and fewer cravings. This is especially important for people over 60, as blood sugar fluctuations tend to become more pronounced with age. A steady supply of healthy fat helps stabilize those fluctuations naturally, keeping your energy and mood balanced. Timing is everything when it comes to this morning ritual. The best time to drink this mix is within 30 minutes of waking up, before you eat breakfast, drink coffee, or take any medications. Your body naturally produces more cortisol in the morning, a hormone that helps release stored fat. Drinking this elixir during that window aligns with your body's natural rhythm, amplifying its fat-burning effects. If you take medications for conditions like blood pressure or diabetes, it's a good idea to wait 30 to 45 minutes after drinking before taking them, just to avoid any potential interference with absorption. And if you have a sensitive stomach or acid reflux, start with half the amount of apple cider vinegar and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. This morning drink does more than just support fat burning. It also nourishes your gut microbiome, feeding the good bacteria that reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support healthy digestion. Over time, you'll notice smoother digestion, less bloating, and a lighter feeling in your midsection. To make this drink even more powerful, consider adding a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural blood sugar stabilizer, helping to lower fasting blood sugar by around 10 upwell and boosting thermogenesis, a process that helps your body burn more calories. It also adds a warm, comforting flavor that makes the drink more enjoyable. For older adults, whose metabolisms naturally slow with age, cinnamon is like a gentle nudge that helps your body stay active and efficient. If you want to take this drink to the next level, there's one more optional ingredient: ginger. Freshly grated or powdered, ginger boosts digestion, improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps your body generate a gentle heat that supports calorie burning. It also eases joint stiffness and supports your immune system, making it a fantastic addition for overall wellness. Together, these ingredients: warm water, lemon, apple cider vinegar, pink Himalayan salt, healthy fat, cinnamon, and ginger, form a powerful combination that helps your body burn fat, balance hormones, and boost energy from the inside out. Here's how to make the drink. Start with 1 cup of filtered water, warm to a comfortable temperature, not boiling, just warm enough to feel soothing. Pour it into a glass. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, or MCT oil. Stir well to combine. Then add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of freshly grated or powdered ginger. Stir again until everything is blended smoothly. Sip it slowly, mindfully, letting the warmth spread through your body. This gentle warmth is your metabolism waking up, your digestion starting to move, and your energy beginning to rise. Within minutes, you'll feel more alert, focused, and ready to take on the day. Try this ritual every morning for 2 weeks, and you'll start to notice changes. Your midsection may feel lighter, your cravings may fade, and your energy will feel more consistent. Pair this drink with regular hydration and short daily walks, and the results will be even more pronounced. your body will become more responsive, your fat storage will decrease, and your energy will feel calm and steady. This isn't a quick fix or a magic bullet. It's a small, intentional choice that brings long-term balance to your body. To enhance the effects, give yourself a 30 to 45-minute fasting window after drinking before eating breakfast. This allows your body to continue using stored fat for energy, deepening the metabolic benefits. You can take it a step further by focusing on your breathing. After drinking, take 5 deep, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale through your mouth. Deep breathing increases oxygen flow, activates detox pathways, and helps your cells turn fat into energy more efficiently. Oxygen is the key that unlocks your body's ability to burn fat cleanly and effectively. Once your body gets used to this rhythm, your mornings will feel different, lighter, clearer, and more energized. To maintain the fat-burning state, pair this drink with a nourishing breakfast like eggs, avocado, or Greek yogurt. These foods provide protein and healthy fats that keep your energy steady and your metabolism active. But the drink works best when supported by healthy habits throughout the day. Try to avoid processed carbs, sugary snacks, and late-night meals. Finishing dinner at least 3 hours before bed gives your liver time to rest and detoxify, setting the stage for better fat burning the next day. Over time, this simple ritual will help your digestion, hormones, and metabolism work together in harmony, creating a sense of balance that radiates through your entire day. Each ingredient in this drink plays a specific role. Apple cider vinegar improves your body's response to insulin, helping it use fat more efficiently. Lemon refreshes your liver, supporting its natural detox process. Olive oil, or MCT oil, provides clean energy for your brain and body, encouraging fat metabolism. Pink Himalayan salt restores hydration and essential minerals, keeping your energy steady. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and adds a gentle calorie-burning boost. Ginger reduces inflammation and supports digestion, making your body feel lighter and more agile. Together, these ingredients act like a soft reset button for your system, helping your body return to its natural state of balance. The beauty of this morning ritual is its simplicity. You don't need expensive supplements, complicated recipes, or strict rules. All you need is a few minutes each morning and ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. Consistency is key. By making this a daily habit, you're giving your body the support it needs to thrive. Over the days and weeks, you'll notice small but meaningful changes: smoother digestion, clearer skin, fewer cravings, and a lighter, more energized feeling. These are signs that your body is healing from within, responding to the care and attention you're giving it. This ritual is more than just a drink. It's a way to reconnect with your body and set a positive tone for the day. Before you reach for your coffee tomorrow, take a moment to mix this elixir. Sip it slowly, feel it nourish you, and breathe deeply as you let your body remember what balance feels like. Your mornings set the tone for your day, and your days shape your health. By choosing to start with something that supports your organs, boosts your energy, and helps you feel alive, you're making a powerful statement. It's never too late to feel better. Every morning, as the world quietly comes to life, you have an opportunity to make a small yet profound choice that can transform how your body feels and functions. This simple act, repeated daily, is more than just a routine. It's a commitment to nurturing your health, vitality, and sense of purpose. It's not about your age or where you are in life. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Health doesn't demand grand gestures or drastic changes. Instead, it begins with small, intentional decisions that ripple outward, shaping how you move through your day and, ultimately, how you live your life. This morning ritual, centered around a carefully crafted drink, is one of the simplest and most effective choices you can make. It's a moment to pause, to care for yourself, and to set the stage for a day filled with energy, clarity, and possibility. This ritual is about more than just physical health. It's about reclaiming your confidence, sharpening your focus, and rediscovering your inner strength. Each sip of this drink is a signal to your body that you're ready to work with it, not against it. It's a gentle reminder that you have the power to influence how you feel from the inside out. By starting your day with this intentional act, You're telling your body to wake up, to burn fat efficiently, to balance hormones naturally, and to embrace a vibrant, steady energy that carries you through the hours ahead. This isn't about chasing quick fixes or fleeting trends. It's about building a sustainable habit that aligns with your body's natural rhythms, helping you feel lighter, more focused, and more in tune with yourself. The beauty of this morning ritual lies in its simplicity. You don't need fancy equipment, expensive supplements, or hours of preparation. The ingredients: warm water, lemon, apple cider vinegar, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, a dash of cinnamon, a touch of ginger, and a teaspoon of healthy fat like olive oil or MCT oil are likely already sitting in your kitchen. Yet, when combined with care and consumed mindfully, these everyday items become a powerful elixir that supports your metabolism, nurtures your liver, and stabilizes your blood sugar. This drink works because it respects how your body was designed to function. It supports your liver's ability to process fat, encourages your digestive system to move smoothly, and provides your cells with the hydration and nutrients they need to perform at their best. When you make this drink each morning, you're doing more than just nourishing your body. You're creating a moment of mindfulness, a pause to connect with yourself before the demands of the day take over. As you stir the ingredients together, feeling the warmth of the water in your hands, you're setting an intention to start the day with clarity, purpose, and care. Sipping it slowly, you allow the gentle warmth to spread through your body, waking up your digestion and sparking your metabolism. This small act of self-care becomes a foundation for better choices throughout the day. Choosing a nourishing breakfast, taking a short walk, or simply breathing deeply to oxygenate your cells. Each of these choices builds on the last, creating a cycle of health and vitality that grows stronger with every passing day. This ritual is a reminder that it's never too late to feel better. Whether you're in your 20 seconds or your 80 seconds, your body is always ready to respond to care and attention. It knows how to heal, how to find balance, and how to thrive. It's just waiting for you to give it the right start. By choosing to begin your morning with this drink, you're giving your body the tools it needs to burn fat more efficiently, stabilize your energy, and reduce cravings that can derail your day. You're also giving yourself something equally important, a sense of empowerment. This ritual is a daily affirmation that you are in control of your health, that you can make choices that align with your goals, and that you deserve to feel vibrant and alive. So tomorrow, when you wake up, resist the urge to rush into your usual routine. Instead, take a moment to create this drink.